friends, welcome to my channel mmfunnybunny. Today I am going to share the scenic beauty of Soochipara Waterfalls situated in Vellarimala of Wayanad, where I had gone for a trip with my family. It's one of the must-visit places in Wayanad.
After parking vehicles in the parking area, tickets to access the waterfall have to be purchased from the tourism office.
Soochipara is a very environmentally friendly place where they strictly adhere to plastic-free policies. People have to pass through a security check at the entrance where they make sure that we are not carrying any plastic items. Plastic items can be taken in upon payment of a deposit. Refund is conditional on return of the plastic item. There are some shops where we will get many curious items, handicrafts and forest products. We have to walk about 1 kilometer from the parking area to view the waterfall. The path has been beautified with a paved walkway and wooden benches at the side. The waterfall is surrounded by beautiful evergreen forests. The walk through this path is a wonderful experience. The waterfall is also known as the Sentinel Rock Falls. Here, water falls from a height of 20 meters. The nearby rock resembles a needle, so it got the name Soochipara, which means needle rock. Not only the waterfall, the whole area is known as the Soochipara. During summers, the water flow is less. This waterfall is a great panorama of nature. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.